Okay, this is a video of how to transfer files or photos or whatever from your phone to a computer. Okay, so this is one of the things that people ask for, to transfer files from photos from a computer. So I've actually got this photo on my phone and I want to get it onto a computer. So there are multiple ways of doing this, all right? Multiple ways, half a dozen ways of doing this. But what I want to do is probably show the most common and probably the easiest way. And the easiest way is to use what you have, if I get this going, on you've already got with when you bought your phone, which is a cable. Now this isn't the cable that came with my phone, but this is a cable which allows you to connect one end, this end here, of the phone to the phone, which I'm about to do. All right, connect that into the phone. All right, I'll plug it in the right way. All right, and the other end, which is a USB cable to a computer. And normally this is the same cable for your phone. So I'm going to click it to my computer, which I'm going to connect there. If I get across there so I can see that, doing that. All right, wrong way around. It's got to go the other way around. Whoop. Whoop. It's hard to do this one-handed. It's not going that way. It's got to go that way. There we go. Okay, when you do that, it goes beep, beep, and all going well if your phone is unlocked, like this one is, on the computer, a screen that looks, your File Explorer screen. In fact, what comes up depends on how you've previously set it. Normally a screen will come up in Windows 10 anyway and ask, what do you want to do? How do you want to process it? I always say to go into File Explorer, all right? So once you're into File Explorer, then you can see there that's showing, that's with internal storage of the phone. Okay, and that's the internal storage of the SD card that's on the phone. Okay, now to say the images, what I've got to do is go into that particular thing. So I'm going to go in there now, into the SD card, and for photos are stored on the SD card are stored in DCIM. So I'm going to DCIM. All right, and then there's a folder called camera. I'm going into that one, and there we are. There's all my photos. All right, now you need to be able to use a technique to select the photos. Now what I do is, if you click on any one photo, it'll do that, but if I say Control A, which means all, it selects all the photos. I right click, go down to where it says copy, click on copy. Okay, then go to a folder. I'm going to go to all my pictures folder, all right, and then I've got I'm going to create a new folder, create a new folder, and call it test. Download. Test download. Whoop. Do that. All right. Oh, I've gone off. Why have I gone off? Test download. All right. And I go into that folder. Now I right click and I click on paste. Oh, I pasted shortcut. I did the wrong thing. All right. I pasted a shortcut, which isn't what I wanted to do. I've done the wrong thing. I'll get rid of that. And I'll go to pictures again, new folder. I'll paste the files. All right, so now you can see it's copying all the files from the phone to the computer. All right, it's going to take a while to do that. I don't want to show doing all that, so I'll just cancel that. Okay. All right, that's it. Okay, get out of this. All right, back to where we are, where we're still recording this, hopefully. All right, and that's how one way of transferring files from a computer, from a phone to the computer. There are multiple other ways of doing it. I might put some videos on later on that show other ways of doing it. Bye.